Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by selling unused internet. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? If so, you may be surprised to learn that you can do so by selling your unused internet connection. We'll take a look at the different reasons why selling your unused internet connection can be a great idea. From decluttering your home to helping out others in your community who may not have access to high-speed internet. And lastly, it can put some extra money in your pocket. To sell your unused internet connection, you'll need a router and an Ethernet cable. You'll also need to find potential buyers and agree on a price. Finally, you'll need to set up a way to get paid. To find potential buyers, you can post a listing on Craigslist or another online marketplace. You can also put up flyers in your neighborhood or contact local businesses directly. When pricing your unused internet connection, you'll want to consider the speed of your connection and the amount of data included in your plan. You should also consider whether you're willing to negotiate on price. There are a few different ways to get paid for selling your unused internet connection, such as PayPal or another online payment service. Arranging to have the buyer pay you directly each month or prepay for several months in advance. Another benefit of selling your unused internet connection is that it can help you declutter your home. If you have an unused modem or router taking up space in your home, you can sell it to someone who will put it to good use. This not only clears up space in your home, but it also helps someone in your community who may not have access to high-speed internet otherwise. By providing them with a fast and reliable connection, you're giving them the ability to stay connected with loved ones. Work from home, or take care of other important business online. There you have it, a guide on how to make money by selling your unused internet connection. It's a great way to supplement your income or even become your primary source of income if you sell enough connections. Remember to do your research and find out what the going rate for your area is and take safety precautions when meeting with buyers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.